In an industry that's known for very heavy loads, drivers are forced to intently focus on what's in front of them, rather than what's behind. As a consequence, lumber and forest products rank in OSHA's top 5 industries for death and serious injury to pedestrian workers. The number of collisions has increased 30% in the past 5 years. 73% of incidents involved a machine hitting a pedestrian, and 83% involved forklifts. This means being hit by a forklift is the number one hazard for pedestrian workers in the lumber handling industry. With each accident potentially costing hundreds of thousands of dollars in penalties and downtime, these accidents can be incredibly expensive, not to mention the personal harm and reputation damage to the business. Scene safety has been growing rapidly in the lumber and forest products sector because we've developed a technology solution for this problem that is, for the first time, truly simple, effective, and affordable: our Iris 860 sensor. A simple but powerful plug-and-play sensor that can be installed by any auto electrician on any type of machine, including forklifts and log grapplers, in under a couple of hours. It works by detecting retroreflective material, like the reflective tape on high-vis vests. Wearing these is common practice, so the solution requires no behavior change from your people. It's also the same tape that's found on safety cones, allowing for a simple and effective way to screen off areas or mark critical infrastructure. The number one issue with most pedestrian detection solutions is overdetection. Irrelevant alerts are not only annoying, they desensitize the driver and pedestrian to the alerts that really matter, leading to harmful accidents. To overcome this, Iris 860 sensors have a highly targeted detection zone and only alert when someone is in the critical risk zone behind the machine as it reverses. This targeted approach virtually eliminates the irrelevant detections and annoying false alerts common in 360-degree proximity detection systems. When it comes to price, cost shouldn't dictate which machines you can afford to put a safety system on and which you can't. Every machine has the potential to cause harm, so no matter how good a solution claims to be, if it's too expensive for fleet-wide deployment, it's not a viable option. Because Iris 860 sensors cost a fraction of what many other detection systems do, they can be installed on all of your machines, not just a select few. With no ongoing cost, no IT integration, no maintenance, simple installation, and virtually no training required, Iris 860 sensors are a truly simple, effective, and affordable way to reduce your critical risk. Contact us today to arrange a trial.